Well, hello everybody, and a belated happy 4th of July. If you missed the video we put up yesterday on Signature Style Saturday, I encourage you to go back and watch it if you were out watching fireworks, because I had so much fun. My friend Amber was here. She's a professional wardrobe stylist, and she helped me kind of rethink some of the stuff in my closet. And I so enjoyed all of your comments. It was so interesting to me. And I think some of you said, well, Linda, you've already got great style, and thank you for that. Why did you want to even have a wardrobe stylist? Well, it's because you are, you always want to learn. Even though you may be satisfied, that doesn't mean you don't want to up your game or you don't want to look at things in a new way. And that's why I think it's so fun to have somebody like Amber come in and just take a look at different things. A number of you asked me, Linda, to trim my bangs. And no, I don't think I'm going to, because I don't know, I'm just experimenting with growing them out. And so if you want to try a new hairdo, well, you have to go through that awkward stage. But I love the fact that you guys had just different kinds of recommendations and commentary. And tell me if you would ever consider using a wardrobe stylist, and if it helped you kind of look at your own closet in a new way. So now just enjoy the second part of that shoot that we did with Amber. It was so much fun, and it really gave me some new perspectives. Okay, every outfit so far has been a 10 out of 10 on the comfort index, and this may be the most comfortable one of all, and I feel very comfortable in this composition. So describe for me what made you put it together and what things you think really like put it over the top.
So this one in particular was inspired by one of your Pinterest posts from a look that you wanted to achieve. You already had all of the elements in your closet. She has a barrel style jean, or you have a barrel style jean that is modern, but then you have it mixed with this classic preppy polo.
Ralph Lauren, and this is a thrift store find.
I love that even better.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we were just talking about it. These shoes really make it more effortless and ground the entire look. I also think the stripes in the shoes bring out the gold in your shirt, and this wonderful brooch that we added to the collar.
Okay, here's the tip. I would have never done this, and yet it's just wonderful. This belonged to my second mom. My sister Meg will absolutely love this. And I think it's that high-low tension. And I feel like I've got a slightly nautical look, a little bit, kind of, sort of. And then she picked out this jewelry. So describe to me the jewelry you picked out.
I really just loved this looks like a vintage watch that you have. Is it vintage?
Yes, it's vintage. It was given to me by a college roommate many, many, many years ago. It's got great sentimental value to me. This belonged to my second mom.
And I loved the detailing of the chain with the delicate.
Yeah. And then a little bit of that high-low thing. So you've got something delicate against something kind of chunky. And then my beautiful.
Yes, we can't forget your
emerald ring.
It just brings out the little emerald piece that's in your flower. I know it's just a tiny little detail, but it's those little things that when you're wearing it, it makes you feel
kind of elevated.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then here's something else she did, and I think this is a great tip. And that is she's put together a bag with almost every outfit, but every bag so far has been flat. So every one of these bags, which really elevate the outfit, I can put them flat and put them in the tote. And it won't take up really any more square footage in my suitcase than it would otherwise. But it gives me flexibility if I want to mix and match things. And I think it kind of is, I don't know, it's got kind of a fun Ralph Lauren vibe. And again, it's really, really comfortable. And what earrings do I have in? Oh, yeah, and you picked these out. Yeah, these are Banana Republic earrings.
Yeah, I tried not to make something like too much of a statement piece to take away from
the brooch.
Your brooch, but I know you like to wear earrings, and those are versatile enough that you can wear with other outfits. Like
I have to wear earrings. I feel really naked if I don't have earrings on. It's one of my signature touches, so I have to have earrings. Okay, you knocked it out of the park again. Another home run for you. Something else to tell you about, I sent out my newsletter and announced last week about my upcoming boutique holiday experience here in Oklahoma City. I'm so excited. A lot of you have already signed up, and if you too want to join us on December 3rd through the 7th, then, well, get your name in early because I think it's going to fill up fast. I'm going to be on the holiday tour for Mesta Park and, fly. It's not winter yet. For the holiday home tour here in Mesta Park. So we're going to be doing that together. We're going to be visiting some of my best friends' holiday homes that are going to be decorated to the nines. We're going to do some very elevated shopping and by elevated, I mean we will be able to sip Prosecco or champagne while we are shopping in some locations that will be closed and only open for your shopping enjoyment for the holidays. Fabulous food, fabulous holiday experiences, and then we're going to culminate in a very, I guess this is just a very, very experience, a fabulous holiday and celebratory dinner for me to celebrate my 70th birthday in a ballroom, no less, a ballroom in one of the mansions here in the neighborhood. So I'm excited about that. It'll give you an opportunity to celebrate along with me, which will just make me so happy, and also a chance to meet some of my dearest friends, and I think maybe even baby Danny. So if you are interested in attending, just use the link right here and you can sign up, and you can also sign up to find out about our other holiday boutique experiences, whether in the summer, the winter, the fall, or just whenever. Oh my gosh, can I pack her just to go along with me? Because number one, you are so fun.
Yes, please.
You are so fun. But she gets me. She really gets me. So she intuited, because I didn't tell her, that one color I wanted to infuse more in my wardrobe was this bright Kelly green. And and she figured out a really fun way to do it. And this ensemble, I promise you, I never would have come up with, but I think it's fun. I think it's very, very summery. And most importantly, once again, girl, let's do it together. You knocked it out of the park. And in the spirit of that, let's start with my chapeau. What is this?
It's just, I know you love to wear hats, and it's super cute.
Yeah.
I just love like the denim and the pop of color and the simplicity of the
oui.
And then it kind of contrasts with your sandals.
Très French.
Très French.
Picks up my UGG sandals, which are also très comfortable. Yes.
We're mixing languages.
Yes.
And then, of course, we want to add layers in a chic way. So you can just tie it around your waist. It's flattering. But when you go into restaurants, you'll always be comfortable.
And we will, of course, be checking to see what the weather is. But it has been extremely warm there. Extremely warm. But can also be cool sometimes another place in addition to restaurants and things. And this may not be so much of an issue in Europe as it definitely is in the U.S. where we freeze sometimes going into restaurants. But not only restaurants, but sometimes on the bus, on the tram, I get really cold. And so it's nice. And this is a thin piece. It's cotton. And this is a quince piece. This I got online. I can't remember where I got this. My Uggs are Uggs. And
where'd you get your earrings? Do you remember?
Yes, I do. I got these at a charming little boutique in Salida, Colorado. I love to shop in Salida. And I got these there, and I think I actually got maybe this bracelet there. And then aren't these fun? I would have not put this together with this, but aren't those fun? So tell me your point of inspiration for that.
Well, I thought that they went perfectly with your earrings because they're not right next to one another, but it gives the hint of the brown and, of course, the green. It just beautifully ties it all together. And with the purse.
Yeah, and with the purse. I think something else, and again, it's kind of a flat purse, so I can pack this in my tote. The other thing that Amber has helped me do, and why I think it's just so important to sometimes invest in a stylist for me, is that she has helped me put things together I never would have put together. In other words, different kinds of aesthetics. So I'm not too matchy-matchy. I'm not doing the whole preppy thing. I'm not doing the whole ethnic bohemian thing. I'm really mixing it up, and I wouldn't have put green with this red and this blue, and I think it's kind of fun. Tell me what you think. But I've been watching some videos, some YouTube videos, and it said, if you look too matchy-matchy, that doesn't look styled. It looks like you just walked out of a catalog or something like that. And I want this to be very much kind of me.
Yeah. Well, and I think that's where a lot of people get stuck in dressing for themselves, is because they like a certain look. And they're like, well, all I have is bohemian stuff. What am I going to wear it with? But this is a great example of, you don't have to be just one style. You get to mix it all together and honor all of your moods.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah, it's mood shifting, but sometimes it's mood matching. And I love it. And again, this is so comfortable. I'll be also taking a bathing suit, so I could wear this just over my bathing suit. Bad hair day, you always have to have a baseball cap. And these are light and fun and not overdone. I mean, light and fun and not overdone. We are not only linguistic today, we are also literary. So I just think it's so fun. Again, it's an outfit I wouldn't have put together, but you did so good, girl.
Thank you. Well, you look
So
fabulous in everything.
Well, and that's also why you pay to have a stylist, because she will make you feel good about yourself. So this has been so much fun. By the way, she styled a number of different things that I'm not going to take up her time to really show you on camera, but we'll take snapshots of those, so you can also see some different outfits that she put together. And those were really, I think, channeling the muse of two other color combos that I absolutely adore, and that is red with camel. Or red with brown, and brown is very popular, I hear, right now. And then I'll just be bringing some other just like plain linen dresses and things that I can just throw on that are comfortable, that I could wear with minimal jewelry, because I have a fear of being both way too hot and way too cold. And I think when you're packing, you have to accommodate those two kind of anxieties that, if you're like me, you have. Any last notes you want to share with us about hiring a stylist, or questions you should ask? Remind people again where they can find you.
Yeah, so you can find me on Instagram at Wear the Hat Style. I also style through August and Omi, so you can book services through that salon website. And that's a good way to find the questionnaire, because that's a good way for me to get to know you before we book a session, before the consultation even starts, is to fill out that questionnaire. And then we can have a Zoom meet or an in-person meet from there.
Yeah, and I think having her come early to go through your closet is really, really crucial. I want some shorts like this now, and you got these at your shop.
We have
but
them.
They're vintage.
I'm not sure what era they're from. They look like the 2000s era, but yes, they are secondhand. And then this is one of our new shirts that we sell.
I love it. I love this top, and I love the oversized look. So it's just about looking. It's about looking at your closet, things you already have through a new lens, new combinations, looking for things that you have but you don't wear, and how you might reinvent them. And that is where a wonderful stylist like Amber comes in. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So much. We'll have another session soon.
I can't wait.